going to have a try. This is the chain that we are string the necklace, and here you can see I put it on. I folded the chain here and put here at 9 centimeters, 3.5 inch here. This way, or 10. We just cut it like a 10. Yes, it's the box chain. This is a very basic design chain, not a new chain. But this chain, some new friends didn't know how to use it. Here I showed people how to use it. I use it to make that necklace, and here we go to use this one, make a bracelet. Okay, so this way, and then we go to put this. Okay, machine stop there. Wait for a moment. Yeah, sweet touch. Wait for a moment. The machine is stopped. Thank you. Okay, it worked. If you want to claim, you can claim now. Is this chain? Silver color is 3.7. Gold color is 8.3. So you can claim. Then here we show you how to use it. Here, this one is the clasper we open, and we are going to hang it. Okay. Please type the gold color again. Type to claim the gold again because the machine didn't printing. Okay. Then here we close the jumping like this. Yeah. I think all the friends, when see I make this, you know what I'm going to make, because this is a very easy design. Open. We make the other side here the same. This one. And this one. Close. Okay, so you receive 2 pieces like this. Yeah, we receive the 2 chain, make it like this, and one piece the length is near about 10 centimeter, 4 inch is here. Okay, then we go to make it. Put here this one and put another side attach here, so it's like this. Then this one is the first the back and the top. This is the bottom, this is the top. Then the bottom one you take like this. Then the clasper side goes through the hole here. Then here it come a very simple note necklace, a bracelet. Hello, Michelle, happy to see you. Okay, then we go here. It's going to be a bracelet. Okay, so it's come a very, very easy and simple bracelet.